In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete cache in DaVinci Resolve. If you want to keep DaVinci Resolve running smoothly and avoid having unnecessary cache files take up space on your computer, this is a useful setting to know. Cache files can build up over time as you work on different projects, and while they help with playback and performance, older cache files can eventually start using a lot of storage. The good news is that DaVinci Resolve gives you a simple way to manage this automatically. To get started, open DaVinci Resolve and look to the top left corner of the screen. Click on DaVinci Resolve to open the main menu. From that menu, select Preferences. This will open the settings window where you can adjust different options for the software. Once you're inside Preferences, click on the User tab. This section contains general settings that apply to your user profile, rather than just one project. After that, look for Cache Management and click on it. This is where DaVinci Resolve lets you control how long cache files should be kept before they are deleted. In the Cache Management section, you'll see an option that allows you to set the number of days. This determines when DaVinci Resolve should delete cache files that are older than the amount of time you choose. For example, if you enter a smaller number, older cache files will be removed sooner, which can help free up disk space more aggressively. If you prefer to keep cache files around longer, you can choose a larger number instead. After setting the number of days that works best for you, make sure to check the checkbox that enables this option. This part is important because simply entering the number of days is not enough on its own. The checkbox turns the automatic cache cleanup feature on. When everything looks correct, click Save to apply your changes. Once you do that, DaVinci Resolve will use the setting you selected to automatically delete cache files older than the number of days you entered. That's all you need to do. This is a quick setting, but it can make a big difference in keeping your system organized and preventing old cache files from piling up over time. If you regularly work on large video projects, it's a good idea to review this setting once in a while so it matches your workflow and available storage.